Hey guys, Video 22 here. Just got this package from YouTube. Really excited to see what it is. So let's just open it up. Got a knife from work. Just yeah, pop it open. Okay, now it is open. Just put that over there. I think I know what this is. I'm really excited to see it. Yes, I know what this is. It's my 100 subscriber play button. Oh man, this is awesome. Look at this. And there's my channel name. Wow, this is cool. Oh man, I'm so excited to hang this up. Let's go hang it up. Alright, so let's put this up on this tack that is already there, even though I had no idea this was coming. Thanks for 100 subscribers.